Hey everyone, and welcome. So you've definitely seen them all over your social media feeds, right? Those absolutely mesmerizing videos where a totally rundown room just magically transforms into a luxury masterpiece. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done step by step.
I mean, just look at that. It's pretty incredible, isn't it? So what if I told you that you can create this exact same effect, and it is way simpler than you probably think? Seriously, by the end of this, you're going to have all the skills you need. You ready? Let's dive in. The magic behind these videos isn't some giant, expensive production studio. No, it all comes down to 3 amazing and totally accessible tools that just work together perfectly.
First up, we've got ChatGPT. Think of it as the brains of our operation, the one that comes up with all the big ideas. Then there's OpenArt. That's our artist, the one who's going to bring all those ideas to life visually. And finally, we've got CapCut, our director, who's going to stitch it all together into that final seamless video. Okay, so our journey starts with getting the right instructions. This is, without a doubt, the foundation for the whole project, and we're going to use a super specialized AI to basically write the perfect architectural plans for our scene.
So first things first, you're going to head over to the ChatGPT store. Once you're there, in the search bar, you're going to type in floor transformation. And look, this isn't just some general prompt. This is a specific custom-built GPT that's designed to do exactly what we need.
Once you get the chat started, it's incredibly easy. The GPT will just ask you what you want to create. For this explainer, we're going to go with option 1, a kitchen transformation. It's just one click, and the AI immediately gets to work for us.
And bam, just like that, the GPT delivers the blueprints. It's going to generate 4 completely distinct image prompts. The best way to think about these is like 4 scenes in a short story. You've got the beginning, the middle, the climax, and the big reveal. Each prompt just builds on the last one.
So, the very first prompt is all about setting the stage. It's creating that before picture, describing an old, forgotten kitchen in a ton of detail. Really setting the scene for the dramatic transformation that's about to happen.
Next up, we build the story. The second and third prompts start to introduce the action, bringing in construction workers, tools, and showing that new floor getting laid down. This is the part that really makes the final video feel like a real time lapse.
And then, of course, the grand finale. The 4th and final image prompt describes the finished product, a stunning, fully renovated luxury kitchen. This is our big aftershot. This is the payoff.
But wait, there is more. The GPT also gives us 3 video prompts. Now, these are specifically designed to create the motion between our 4 main images. So make sure you copy these and keep them somewhere handy. We're going to need them very soon.
All right, so we have our text-based blueprints ready to go. Now it's time to head over to our digital artist, OpenArt, and actually start constructing the visuals.
Okay, before you do anything else, let's get your settings right. Inside OpenArt, you're going to go to the Create Image tab. You'll want to select the Nano Banana Pro model. Then set your aspect ratio to 9:16. That's for the perfect vertical video format. And you'll want to crank that resolution all the way up to 2K for a really crisp, high-quality image.
Okay, listen up, because this process right here is the absolute secret sauce to getting a consistent look. You'll start by creating your first image with the first prompt. Then, and this is the most important part, you upload that image as an Omni reference before you use the second prompt. You're just going to repeat this cycle for all 4 images, always using the last image you made to guide the new one. And this right here shows you exactly why that Omni reference step is so critical. I mean, look, without it, the AI just spits out 4 completely different kitchens. But with it, the AI understands that it's supposed to be modifying the same exact room. The walls, the windows, the basic layout, it all stays consistent, which makes the whole transformation actually believable.
So, we have our 4 perfect sequential still images. Now it's time for the real magic. Let's animate them and turn this little photo series into a captivating video.
Back in OpenArt, just switch over to the Video tab and pick Image to Video. We're going to use the VO3 model here. Go ahead and set your duration to 6 seconds and the resolution to 720p. Now, here's the core concept. For each clip, you're going to upload a start frame and an end frame, and then you'll paste in one of those video prompts we saved earlier from ChatGPT.
Here's how it all breaks down. It's super simple.
Your first video clip is going to morph image 1 into image 2. Your second clip will then take image 2 and morph it into image 3. And your third clip, well, that's going to complete the transformation, morphing image 3 into our final gorgeous image 4. It's just a simple logical chain.
All right, now for a little pro tip to give your video that extra cinematic flair. You're going to create one more clip, but this time use your final perfect kitchen image as both the start and the end frame. Then for the prompt, just type in zoom in camera. What this does is it creates this slow, dramatic push-in effect, kind of like a drone shot, and it works perfectly at the end. We've got all of our pieces, 3 awesome transition clips, and 1 bonus cinematic shot. The final step is to just assemble them all in the editing bay and create our masterpiece.
This is the home stretch. We're almost there. Just download all 4 video clips from OpenArt and pull them into a video editor like CapCut. You're just going to place them on the timeline in order. Clip 1, then 2, then 3, and then pop that bonus zoom shot right at the end. Find some trending audio, slap it on there, hit export, and you are officially ready to go viral.
Now look, even with the best instructions, you might hit a little snag. Don't worry about it, it happens to everybody. So here are a few quick fixes for the most common issues you might run into.
So if you can't find the GPT, make sure you're searching in the main GPT store, not just in your past conversations. If your images are looking like they're in different rooms, I can almost guarantee you forgot the omni-reference step, so just double check that. And if a video transition just feels a little weird or jarring, don't be afraid to just regenerate it. Sometimes the AI just needs a second try.
And there you have it, the complete playbook, from just a simple idea to a stunning, shareable video. The technology is here, the tools are totally accessible, and now you have the skills. The only limit really is your imagination. So the only question left is, what are you going to transform first?